Hi.
Hi.
Hey, Gorilla, show us how to play.
So, you place a small marble on it, on here, you press it and it goes.
Can you show me the
direction?
Can you show me the other side?
Okay. It doesn't work that properly.
Use the other marbles, Gorilla.
Time to change.
What did you do, Gorilla? Don't press it too hard.
Here.
Can you one more time, please?
Fine.
Other side. Okay, do you want to say bye-bye to our viewers?
Bye bye.